In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to schedule emails in Gmail using the desktop version. If this sounds helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and consider subscribing for more tips like this one. Alright, so here's how it works. First, open up Gmail on your computer. Just the regular browser version, nothing fancy. Now, click on Compose to start a new email, like you normally would. Type in the recipient's email, add your subject line, and write your message. Okay, here's where the magic happens. Instead of clicking Send, look down at the little arrow next to the Send button. It's easy to miss, bottom left corner of the Compose window. Click that arrow and then select Schedule Send. You'll see a few suggested times pop up, like tomorrow morning or Monday afternoon. But if you want full control, click Pick Date and Time. That lets you choose the exact day and time your email should go out. Just set it and hit Schedule Send. Boom. That's it. Your email is now scheduled. And if you're wondering, wait, where did it go? Don't worry, you can still view or cancel it. Just look on the left-hand side of your Gmail dashboard, scroll down and click Scheduled. There, you'll see all the emails you've scheduled. Click into any of them to review, reschedule, or delete if needed. Super easy, right? This little trick is perfect for sending emails at just the right moment, without being glued to your inbox. If you found this useful, feel free to drop a comment and let me know what other Gmail tips you'd like to see. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful stuff like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.